we do see, as I mentioned, the market is recovering in the short term, and we have been transitioning, from a vertical online media platform to a online auto ecosystem in the last 3 years. And we rolled out, a lot of new digital products or big data AI-enabled products to help, dealers and OEMs understand the market, understand clients better. So there are 17,000 plus, dealers using our new services. And there are also a lot of OEMs that use our intelligent marketing, intelligent new car launch during the pandemic to help them, actually launch cars or market cars online. And we believe, we are helping to transition the industry. But of course, in the long term, the auto ownership in China is still very low at 173 cars per thousand person, lower than that of Thailand, which is at 226, or that of Malaysia, South Korea, which is over 400 per thousand person. So we believe, there is a still long runway ahead of us. And, we also saw, as I mentioned, that the pandemic has changed the behavior of OEM and dealers, in China. And they are now more used to, online marketing, digitized marketing, and they did not see the superior ROI from the online marketing.
Jun, can I also ask about behaviors in terms of appetite for electric vehicles? The fact the government has extended some subsidies and incentives for EVs, how is that showing up in sales and demand?
Well, overall, new car NEV sales was only a little over 1 million last year in China. That's roughly 5% of total new car sales. It's growing very fast, but still a very small portion of the overall new car sales market in China. Well, I would say the government stimulus in NEV will help the entire industry value chain grow, but will make less an impact on the overall auto industry. We're expecting maybe to see some more effective stimulus to traditional vehicles as well.
Okay. And also, Jun, we want to get your thoughts on what is taking place in the U.S. in ways of calling for greater scrutiny of Chinese companies like yourself that are listed on U.S. markets. We've already seen some make the decision to list closer to home in order to raise funds closer to home. I'm wondering if this is something that you're considering.
Well, we're evaluating, of course, all different options, including dual listing. But, we have been listed since 2013, and we have always been audited by the big four auditing firms of the US. And, we can stand up for any kind of scrutiny, And I would say, we would definitely have much less tension, if we do less tweeting these days. And but we're confident, in the overall, let's say, Chinese economy and also the long-term relationship, between China and the US.